everyone. Do you feel tired of saying tired? Let's spice up your vocabulary with five more impactful alternatives. First, we have exhausted. Repeat after me. Exhausted. For example, after a long day, I was completely exhausted. It's simple and relatable. Next, we have drained. Repeat after me. Drained. For example, that intense workout left me drained. It is short and powerful. How about weary? Repeat after me. Weary. This one adds a poetic touch. She was weary after the endless travel. Another word is fatigued. Repeat after me. Fatigued. For instance, he felt fatigued after working late all week. Sounds professional, doesn't it? Finally, we have burned out. For example, she felt burned out from juggling work and studies. Which one fits your mood today? Comment below and hit subscribe for more English learning tips.